In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some basic features in Shopify with ease. Whether you're a seasoned user looking to refresh your knowledge, or you're just starting out, this guide will help you optimize your use of the platform with a few straightforward steps. First, let's start by opening your Shopify admin page. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the main homepage, you'll find all your store's options neatly organized on the sidebar. This is the central hub where you can access everything you need to manage your store. Next, turn your attention to the Highlight section, which is designed to draw your focus to key areas, such as updates or essential tasks. Click on the highlighted area as it typically directs you to various aspects of your store that require your attention or that could benefit from enhancement. This helps in prioritizing tasks, ensuring that your store is both compliant and optimally set up. Once you've explored the highlights, direct your attention to the sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains all the behind-the-scenes adjustments you can make to tailor your Shopify experience to fit your store's needs. From general settings, where you can update your store's name and information, to more intricate areas like payment providers and checkout options, these settings ensure that your store operates smoothly. Now let's focus on an essential yet often overlooked setting. Click on MS. This section might not immediately stand out, but it houses important configurations related to inventory and order processing. Adjusting these settings helps you effectively manage how your stock is tracked and how orders are processed. This is particularly important as it directly impacts customer satisfaction and fulfillment processes. As you explore these sections, take your time to read through each option and understand its purpose. Shopify is designed to be intuitive, but there's a lot of depth to the platform that can significantly benefit your store. Always feel free to explore and experiment in a test environment before applying changes to your live store. Finally, if at any point you feel unsure, utilize Shopify's support features. They offer extensive documentation and customer support ready to assist you with any questions or troubleshooting needs. By following these steps, you're setting the foundation for a well-managed Shopify store that not only operates efficiently, but also prioritizes customer experience. Remember, a well-tuned online store is the backbone of your e-commerce success. Don't rush. Take your time to familiarize yourself with each setting. That's the end of our guide today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and in-depth tutorials in the future.